Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll go over how to use the stock lookup tool and get a quote overview in the Questrade trading platform. The stock lookup tool allows you to search for stock symbols and other investment types you are interested in. To get started, go to questrade.com and log into your account. When you first log in, you will be on the summary page. Below the top toolbar is the stock lookup tool. This is where you can look up the symbol or investment type you are interested in. When you click on it, a drop-down will appear with a few search options. These include recent searches, top gainers, and most active. Clicking on any of these tabs will display the relevant information within the drop-down. At the bottom of the drop-down are some other investment products. Let's go ahead and type in a symbol. When you type in a symbol, it will be displayed in the drop-down along with its current price. For this example, we will be using Apple. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Once you click on a symbol, you'll get more in-depth information. Starting at the top of the screen, you'll see the ticker symbol, the company's full name, the exchange it's traded on, and its current stock price. It also shows the dollar amount and percentage that the price has either gained or lost over a certain amount of time. If this is a stock or ETF you want to keep your eye on, you can quickly add it to one of your watch lists by clicking the star watching button to the right. You may add symbols to any of your designated watch lists. You will also see a button that allows you to buy shares of the stock. If you already own shares, you'll also see a button to sell them. Clicking Buy opens the order entry screen on the right-hand side. For more information on placing an order, you can view our Market and Limit Orders video. The link is available in the description below. The price chart shown here is a line graph that provides a stock or ETF's historical pricing. Hovering over certain parts of the chart will show you how the stock performed on specific days or specific times. You can adjust the timeline using the tabs below. Keep in mind that the graph defaults to a one-day overview. However, you can see price history from as recently as a day ago, to as far back as when the security first started trading. Beneath the price chart, you'll get a breakdown of the stock or ETF's key statistics. Clicking Show All will reveal all of the provided information. On the left side are various price points the stock has reached. This includes its closing price from the last trading day, its opening price for the current trading day, along with the daily high and low from the current day. Also shown are the stock's highest and lowest prices of the last 52 weeks, as well as bid price, ask price, bid size, ask size, volume, and average volume. On the right side, you'll see other valuable information. If the stock pays dividends, you'll see the last dividend that was paid out, its dividend yield, and the current ex-dividend date. This is the date by which you would need to own shares to be eligible for the next scheduled dividend payout. Also available are key metrics such as the price to earnings ratio and earnings per share. Below that, if it's available, you'll see the last scheduled date for the company to release their earnings report. You will also be able to see the company's current market capitalization, the number of shares, the security type, the last trade, and finally, the long MR. Further down, if you're viewing a stock or ETF you own shares in, you'll get additional information on your specific holdings of that particular security. You'll see the account that the shares are held in, the number of shares you own, and the average price you purchased them for. Also included are other details like today's profit and loss, which shows any change that occurred during the trading day. You'll also see your open profit and loss, referred to as open P&L. This represents the amount of money you've gained or lost from this position since it was first added to your portfolio. Other details included are the market value and book value. Simply put, market value is the number of shares you own multiplied by their current stock price. Market value shows what you'd receive in cash if you chose to sell your shares today. minus any trading commissions. On the other hand, book value is the number of shares you own multiplied by the price you purchased them for. Down further, you'll see orders you've made for the chosen stock in the last 30 days. Further still, you'll see the Smart Score section. For more information, check for our educational TipRanks content. Lastly, at the bottom of the page, you'll see the News section. This will give you a list of global news stories related to the stock, which can give you a feel for its future possible performance. With that, you're ready to start exploring different symbols. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate the Questrade trading platform, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.